on, I, Shank Pandey, on behalf of East Point School and our company, Udyog Agri Private Limited, has got an opportunity to share our working model and business model in front of you all. So, I would like to introduce my team members, Diya Sarkar, Raj Passport, Vishesh Kumar Hela, and Kusum Jaiswal. Continuing the presentation, I would like to invite my business partner, Mr. Raj Passport, to continue the presentation.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Raj, and since working for an Udyog Agri, I got an opportunity to represent the working model of our company, Udyog Agri Private Limited. So let's continue. I would like to invite my business partner, Kusum Jaiswal, to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Raj, for the warm introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Kusum Jaiswal. Today, I have got the opportunity to share some of my knowledge with you. So, today, before starting this presentation, I would like to give you some ideas about business. What business is? A business is an economic activities which includes purchase, sale, production of goods and services with the motive of earning some profit. Now, within this, importance of business. So first is importance of business on society. Importance of business society. Society affects business as in this society means business gross domestic product, as it says about the economy, how it is performing. Our third topic is importance of business on normal people. As you know that importance of normal people, it is very important in our daily life. First of all, business provides us the things which the customers want, and it is important of business on government. So there are 3 points that we can see, like contracts, production of peoples, and etc. So this is all by my side about business and everything. Now I would just like to call my business partner, Mr. Vishesh, for continuing this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Kusum, for the invitation. I am Vishesh Kumar Hela and working as a business partner in Udyog Agri Private Limited. So I would like to continue this presentation. Welcome to Udyog Agri Private Limited. Now I want to move to the next topic, main highlights. We have contents like about us, marketing analysis, business models, operations, and example like to talk about us. Now, as you know, name of our company is Udyog Agri Private Limited, and its headquarters is located in Kolkata and expanded in pan India level. Now, as we are in startup, our company established in 2022, and now I would like to talk about investments. We have the investment of ₹25 lakh, and the government license we have like DAP, MOP, and UPS. Now we have expected profit for current years is up to 25% to 30% on net sales, and growth rate of 35% to 50% every quarter. And our vision of our company is innovation in agriculture as a part of organization from 1 decade. We want to be known as the most trusted brand, the scientific organic manure solution to the soil, loved by our farmers for our ethics, values, and commitment to sustainability. Now move to the vision, mission to upgrade and effectively utilize operational resource to realize performance, excellence, and expand product portfolio on an ongoing basis to ensure significant business growth. Now I would like to call Diya for the continuing presentation.
Good afternoon all. So, I would like to take your attention towards the marketing analysis of our company. So, the price of our products ranges from ₹99 to $1,999. The quality of our product is, of course, of our company, Udyog Agri Private Limited.
continuing the presentation, I would just like to have your concern that how are we actually fulfilling our duties. You might have an idea that the peoples of a country have some fundamental duties. So business being an entity also has some fundamental duties which it needs to follow. So helping society, farmers and municipalities are some of the things which our business is providing. Like helping society, our business is dealing with the production of manure, fertilizers and some of the compost. So we are dealing with the biodegradable waste. That means we are cleaning the society. We are helping the society to get clean and it's done on a daily basis. So helping the society and we are helping the farmers. The production which we are doing, the production which our business is getting is totally related with their field. The farmers are using our products and they are getting better yields and better harvest each and every year. Now helping municipalities. As we are having a joint venture with the municipalities, we have joined hands with the municipalities and helping the municipalities to clean up the societies. Helping the municipalities, we are also having some of the monetary connections with the municipalities to clean up the society, and also we are getting some of the orders and some of the direct selling, some of the direct cleaning process done by us and also with the municipality. As because it's a social work, counted under a social work, we are getting the things. Moving on to the next slide, we can get a marketing trends that actually business needs to know that how much is exactly the business producing or what's exactly the sales of the business. We can find that the first month when we started, it was only 20 units. That ranges that just got high up to 25, 50 and the last quarter the sales was recorded up to 100 units. Moving on to the next slide, we can find the marketing analysis. So basically we are having three type of products that ranges from rupees 99 to rupees 1999. We can find the 50% of the total marketing analysis is taken over by item 3. Why is it so? Because we can see the item 1 is having 30% of the total production, so 30% of the total marketing analysis we are having. As because the farmers and the buyers, the customers are trying to use our products. They are firstly just trying that what exactly, how the product is exactly performing. So getting satisfied with the things they are giving us the bulk orders and getting the maximum benefits which they can avail from us. That is followed by item 2, that is 20%. It is not necessary a business can produce that very product which will satisfy each and every demand of a society. There are some of the competitors which are performing more better than us, but we are trying each and every year to grow more and more and to increase our quality. So the 20% compromises of those people who are still believing on those things, on those products which they were using. Moving on to the next slide, we can get our products. What exactly we are producing? So the 1 kg packet Devki, the 5 kg packet Tarush and 10 kg packet Mohan are some of the three products we are having. The mass product we are having is Mohan, 10 kg packet, followed by Devki and Tarush. Let's move on to the next slide. The target audience. A business needs to have a target audience which it will focus, which the business will sell their products to. So what is the target audience? Basically each and every one related to the farmers, multi-croppers, sharecroppers, etc. Many of the things. Some of the nurseries which people are running, and many people in our society are there, our neighbors are there who are growing fruits, vegetables, flowers in their gardens. So our product is applicable there also. The manures and the fertilizers can be used there also. Moving on to the next slide. That what exactly our business model is. So as I'm saying that we are producing manure, we are producing compost. How exactly we are doing it? Firstly, we are collecting the waste from the society. Then we are segregating. A waste may compromise of many things, hazardous waste, non-degradable, biodegradable waste, biodegradable waste. So we are firstly segregating all those types of waste, and then we are dealing with the biodegradable waste part mostly. Then we are converting it into powder form. And how it is done, we are going to explain it in the next slides. Then we are packing and distributing it in the pan-India level. Let's move on to the next slide. The business operation and how is running is happening. As I said, the collection of waste is done, segregation of waste is done. Now drying of material. What exactly is drying of material means those biodegradable waste which we are collecting. We need to dry it first to convert it in the powder form which we are dealing with mostly, which is mostly important for our business. So drying of material is done in 2 steps. Firstly, we dry it with the help of our high-tech machines which we are having in our factories, companies, and to get that total powder enriched with vitamins, that we dry it under sun or in open air, you can say. So the fourth step involves converted into powder. So after that things we go on with with a grinding process that just converts that dried products into powder. Then we mix it with chemicals. Chemicals like you can see ammonium nitrate, phosphorus, potassium, etc. Many of the chemicals are there, and many etc. Various chemicals are there which are mixed with the powder to get it enriched with nutrients. Tested with samples, a team of scientists we are having in our total company just gives the pilot survey, or we may say some of the samples and test it, getting approved. From getting all the approved with all those things, the seventh step which is included is next step. The seventh step is distribution in the market. So the packing of the things are there, and finally we distribute it in the market. Let's move on. So it is the timeline layout. That is a business when it is establishing. Our business when it is established, it had a vision that what exactly we will be performing in the upcoming 5 years. What exactly we can do. So established in 2022. We got a turnover, we estimating turnover because it's not complete, not 2002, but we are estimating that the turnover will be around 7 lakh rupees, the profit margin. Then 2023 we are expecting 15 lakh, followed by 30 lakh in 2024, 2025 60 lakh, and 2036 rupees 1.2 crores. So timeline layout is something like this. And moving on to the next slide, we are having the price table. That exactly what product is priced like what. So the first product, the Devaki, the 30% we were having 30% tested product Devaki. It is of 1 kg and pricing rupees 99. Followed by product 2, 495 rupees Tarush, that is of 5 kg, and product 3 Mohan, that is of rupees 900, per kg, that's of 10 kg per product. Let's move on. So you can have a contact, like if you are interested to grow, if you are interested to grow with the company, you can have a contact with us, like on phone number, email address, websites. And this was all about the working model of our company. And just the thing that our team believes, our whole team believes, please come on. So our team Udyog believes Udyog is working with passion, Udyog is turning, Udyog is getting a resolution in the whole business industry of mangoes and fertilizers. We are growing and helping people to grow. So it was a pleasure for all of us to represent our business model in front of you. Last slide, Mr. Raj. So yeah, it was a big thank you to all of the teachers, all of us present here, and yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you from Team Udyog.